This is Rachel Holt, and here's your Xfinity X1 report. Tom Brady is near or at the top of many lists in NFL history. On Sunday against the Jets, he broke yet another record. With the short 4-yard completion to Sony Michel in the second quarter, Tom Brady passed Peyton Manning for all-time passing yards in the regular season and playoffs combined. Brady needed 147 yards to accomplish the feat and finished the game with 283 yards, 2 touchdowns, and no picks as the Patriots defeated the Jets 27-13. Brady ranks 4th all-time in regular season passing yards behind Brett Favre, Manning, and Drew Brees, but is ahead of everyone in playoff passing yards with 10,226, almost 3,000 more than Manning.